Hello, and welcome to the last video about relationship configurations, at least for now. We have arrived at the case of relationship attributes. If we pull up the diagram once again, we find relationship attributes here on the many-to-many relationship between author and book. The point of the author attribute here is to organize authors according to their contribution to a book. Main author first, other authors following in descending order of contribution. In a relational database, this is similar to the many-to-many relationship. We create the join table, make two foreign keys referencing book and author, and make a composite primary key out of these. And then we just add the relationship attribute to that table as well. On the EFC configuration side, it's a bit more involved. We need to explicitly create a class representing the relationship attributes. We're going to set up a bunch of navigation properties, explicit foreign keys, and a composite primary key for this scenario. This time I will just show it in code instead. So let's have a look. Here we are back in Writer. Again, I start with a new entity, this time the author. So let's just create it. Okay, then we need the class for the relationship attributes. I will call it rights. First, I add a navigation property to the author, and then one to the book, and two matching foreign keys like this. And finally, the relationship attribute order here. So each rights instance binds together an author and a book. Now, in author, we need a collection navigation property. One author has many rights, which may sound a bit weird, but that's how it is. This completes the one-to-many relationship on one side. Now we need to do the same in the book side. So in the book class, I add a collection navigation property to the rights class, thereby indicating a book is written by multiple authors. That's all the necessary navigation properties. Now I need to define the primary key for the rights class. Again, we do this in the DB context down here. I say the entity of type rights has a primary key consisting of book ID and author ID, which are the two foreign keys. Now, when coding the video, I forgot to add a DB set for the rights class. I will do that afterwards because it might be convenient, though again not strictly necessary. So let's open the terminal and generate a new migration and update the database. And then we open the database view over here again and inspect the results. I am looking for the new rights table here. It has the three expected attributes, a correct composite primary key, and two foreign keys. So I guess that's it. I've covered all the relationships I have planned. I will add a final comment that if you have two entities with multiple relationships between them, you will need the Fluent API to configure them correctly. Maybe one day I will get back to that. For now, I plan on following up with videos about how to interact with the DB sets, meaning adding, updating, deleting entities, and updating their relationships. Then I should look into querying the database, so it seems I have plenty to do. So for now, thanks for watching.